For real?
The following
YouTube poop
is a talking turkey. It is based on historical events and is meant to be historically accurate. It is totally based no way for real.
For real?
Unless, of course, you are the meme. Whoopsie. My name's
Jeff.
You know, that wasn't very funny.
And that's Paul. It's my daddy. He's going to help.
Hey, Aspen, your cock must be tired because it looks like you flew straight out of my ass.
Oh, that is disgusting.
TV.
Owen Wilson.
Chicken is a...
And then
They find out that the farm is being moved out. I mean, look at that thing. It's so fucking obviously a chicken.
bullshit. Bullshit. Long live derivative.
Now here's a good movie.
It was just an acorn that hit my son. A
No,
little acorn.
Dad, no.
it's just like my life, in a way.
This is your destiny.
Destiny Del Vaccio from high school?
He gave me this.
Turkey sandwich.
Okay, what's inside me?
We're going back in time. We're going back in time to the first
Arby's
to get turkey
sandwich
on the menu.
turkey sandwich.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here.
You should
Go back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get
yourself
off the menu.
now.
You don't have to touch me when you talk to me. Okay, touch my cock, in fact. You don't have to come into my ass.
Oh, okay.
What type, Agent?
It's like we have an imposter.
That is very
Sussy.
Agent. Sauce.
Enemy approaching.
What kind of fool do you take me for? He's
Reggie.
Reggie. Yours?
Reggie.
Reggie. Are there any other
Reggie.
I should know about?
My body is ready.
Enough, Reggie.
What's wrong with you?
Those are some
Angry Birds.
I understood that reference.
Angry bird.
What happened? You're only gone
10,000 years! I've actually been gone for
11 minutes.
Have you heard about the
Resonator.
Ow, my fingers!